This is definitely a mental math exercise. There's probably a million ways you guys can cheat on this, I'm sure of it, but don't give your brain the exercise. It's good for you guys to do this at least a couple times in your life. If I want to simplify this mentally, um, we're looking for a couple things, but like what I would do is I would start by thinking of this as 64 to the 1/3 power squared. And the reason why I'm going to do that is it's always easier to make numbers smaller first and then make them bigger. And I do want to point out, you can see these are definitely equivalent because if I have a power to a power, these powers get multiplied together. And of course, if I take 2 times a third, that is 2/3. So my first step in a situation like this, where I'm being asked to simplify mentally, um, is to take the power and whatever the numerator is, put it on the outside of the parenthesis, and then just 1 over whatever the denominator is on the inside. And now using mental math, I got to figure out what multiplies by itself this many times to land on 64. I know it's going to be an even number. I know 2 is too small because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 6 is probably too big, so let's just try 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is definitely 64. So this is going to become 4 squared, and 4 squared, of course, is 16. So the trick here is just to take this fraction and pull it apart, make the inside smaller, and then just apply this power once you're done.